Shala.
You guys need any help?
Hola.
You guys don't have my permission to be taking pictures.
Shala. Shala. Shala.
Oh, good people.
Go. Here we go.
What's up, guys?
You guys got nothing to do or what?
How's it going?
You guys got nothing to do or what?
I got called over here because of you guys.
Why are you holding your weapons, man?
It doesn't matter.
Why are you holding your weapons?
My question is, what are you guys doing here?
None of your fucking business, bitch. Get out of here.
What's that?
Get out of here, man.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I think so. Get out of here.
You guys are unwanted here. They
Yeah, I
called
don't
us
care.
over here for you guys.
I don't care. You're unwanted here. Why don't you get out of here? You're unwanted here, man. Go away. You're unwanted here. You guys are unwanted here, man. Damn, you guys don't know how to park either, huh?
Why you guys here?
Why are you here?
Huh?
Why are you here?
I'm here because of you.
Good. Then do
Why
your
you guys
job.
Here?
Do your job, man. I'm not here to help you in your investigation. So carry on, man.
It's a hospital, man.
Nobody's hostile.
Yeah,
It's
you're
just
hostile.
a simple question of why you're
Simple
here.
question. You don't have no right to ask this question. You're violating
What do I have the right to do?
Why is my business your business?
Okay.
What's your name, badge number, sir? What's your name, badge number, sir?
You don't answer my questions. I don't answer.
Yeah, kick rocks. That's why we don't talk to the police.
You're real tough guy, aren't you?
You guys are worthless. You're worthless.
Shit.
You're worthless, man.
Did you respect? You don't want respect.
Damn.
Yeah, weapons boy, huh?
What's your name,
What's
badge
up,
number,
weapons
sir?
boy?
Excuse me.
Telling you, dude.
Wasting taxpayer money. That's the only thing you guys doing. Wasting taxpayers' money. Thank you for wasting taxpayer money. Man, this guy's gonna milk it here.
Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey boy. What up with it? Alright guys, we have looks like Long Beach Police Department out here trying to tell us that they don't want us here and we have to leave, so they're about to kick rocks right here.
So you're gonna give us your badge number and everything?
6161.
How about this guy?
See you later, bitch boy. See you bitch boys later. Yeah. You forgot what car you're in or
Stay
what?
off the street, please.
You forgot what car you're in?
You're on the street.
You forgot what car you're in?
I'm gonna do my job, okay? So get off the street.
Yeah. Why don't you get out without your weapons? Why don't you get out the car without your weapons, you coward? You're nothing but a coward.
Good night, sir.
You're nothing but a coward. You couldn't even leave your weapons in the car, could you? Pussy. Pussy! See you later, bitch boy! Damn, 4 units, guys. 4 units. 4 units. See you later, bitch boy! I guess the guy was trying to say we were on their property, but after they investigated further, they determined that they should just waste taxpayers' money and roll out. Learn how to drive, douchebag! Learn how to drive, douchebag! How do you feel about another man telling you what to do? How do you feel about that? Would you like to make a statement? You'll be on the news tomorrow. SGV News. You'll be on SGV News tomorrow. Actually, right now. She just wants to go home, man. Leave her alone.
No,
Yeah, no, she just wants to go
this
home.
guy, no.
Let her go home. Huh? Nah, we're activists.
Oh, what happened?
We're just out here practicing our First Amendment rights. This guy called the cops on us, so he violated our rights, you know?
Oh. How the hell did you get here?
What do you mean?
Why?
We flew in, we parachuted in, they dropped us off right there.
No, I'm just saying, like, are you guys practicing, like, I don't want to be on camera, I don't want to be filmed.
You already are.
You're
Too
fucked
late.
up, man.
You're live.
Huh?
You're live on YouTube.
What do you do here?
I don't want to be filmed.
What do you do here?
I just wanted to ask.
No, what do you do here?
What are you guys doing? I'm trying to figure out, what are you guys, like, protesting, or what are you guys here for?
What we did, what we do. We're activists.
We just told you the guy called the cops on us, tried to violate our rights, so he had a,
I'm just trying to understand what's going on. Like,
you know, he
just
called
reacting
daddy
to
so
you.
that daddy could tell him to behave himself and to go back to work and stay on his property.
Huh? I'm
Yeah.
so lost. I'm like, what?
What do you do?
I work.
What do you do here? Are you a manager? Or? So what?
I just want to figure out what's going on.
Well, I'm
with
trying to
you
figure out who I'm talking to. Are you a manager?
Why, I don't understand why you guys are so hostile.
Do you usually like walk up to people in the street and then just ask them what they're doing because they're holding a camera normally? You just walked up to us and started asking us what we're doing and stuff. Do you usually do that, or is that just like today?
I mean, yeah, if there's somebody outside with a camera, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on in the community.
Oh, in the community.
Yeah, don't hit me.
Well, this is like an industrial area. I don't think there's a community here.
Dang, so hostile.
No, you can walk away at any time. It's fine.
Honey?
You have the right to walk away at any time.
Oh, okay. No,
Yeah.
I was just trying to figure out what was going on because I know there's a lot of protests going on, and I just wanted to know if maybe I could help out. That's it. I didn't want to like.
Yeah,
dang,
definitely.
Like, you guys are so hostile.
Hey, pull out your camera and point it that way.
¿Qué dices?
Pull out your camera and point it that way.
Why?
So you could film. You're gonna join us. You're gonna see what we're seeing. Look,
Well,
this
why
is what
would
we're seeing right now. Look,
I just don't understand what's
look
going
at
on.
this is what we're seeing. So you want to join us? Let's do it. We're just filming out here.
Oh, you're just filming.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all. I mean, but I just don't understand. What are you filming? Like, what made you stop here and film?
Because we were interested in the location, and that guy called the cops on us, so we stuck around.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what do you do here?
I pretty much told her nothing, and she's satisfied with
So
that.
what do you do here?
I pretty much told her
Are
nothing.
you a manager?
I just told her we were interested
come
in the
here,
location.
seriously.
I told her
Are you a
nothing.
manager?
I'm a truck driver.
Are you a truck driver? Oh, cool. Hey,
Yeah.
thank you for moving all the stuff, actually. It's very appreciated.
Yeah, I mean, like, I thought you guys were here trying to fight for our rights.
Yeah, we are fighting for your right, of course. This is
The
actually...
First Amendment is for your rights.
First
Our
Amendment.
freedom is your rights.
Yeah.
We do protests, we do Black Lives Matter, we do pretty much everything we need, all those protests, actually.
Yo, what's your handle? You got a handle? People want to know. You're live on YouTube right now. People are asking what's your handle.
My handle?
Yeah. Instagram, Facebook.
Oh,
I mean, you're out. You're already live on YouTube. Just put it out there.
Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, TikTok.
I'm not really a social person.
Oh, sorry guys. She's not a social person. Stop asking.
Alright.
Can you tell us your name?
10-4.
Oh,
She's not a social person, but she just walked out on 3 strangers in public to ask them what they're doing with their cameras.
I thought you guys were doing like some protest for the truckers because I know that people are trying to get like higher pay for truckers because we're like in first contact with shipments that come in from China and we have like we have to go in and deliver medical supplies into the hospital. We're like in close contact with people who are sick. I thought you guys were doing that.
Hey, you know what? You're out here, and you're right. Drivers do deserve more money, and you know you are at higher risk at spreading, you know, the virus or whatever.
Right.
But you came out here without your mask on.
You have a...
So if you came in that close of contact with that many people, and you're that much at risk, you came out here without a mask and put us at risk. So I need you to step back and put your mask on, please.
Just step back.
I did. I did. For my safety, I stepped back. No. Stay away. Stay away. 10 feet. 10 feet.
Again? Don't hit me.
10 feet. 10 feet. Stop crying about it. Stop trying to be a victim.